Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So while in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get Cash App card. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you can easily get your Cash App card. So you have to follow a process. So first of all guys, you have to open Cash App, and from here guys, just simply you have to tap on this card icon at the second number from the left side. You can see here at the bottom, tap on this. Now guys, you can see here it's showing here get free cash card. If you want to get it free, just simply tap on this. Now you can see here it's showing here choose your style, so you can choose your style from here guys, because I have already personalized my card, that's why I'm showing this type of card. So let me show you here edit personalize, so you can edit it from here. Let me show you guys. So you can write here your name, or you can also make a design on your card from here, and if you want to order it as it is, then you can do from here. Okay guys, so let me show you here guys, just simply you have to tap on order card. You can easily get your card as it is. So that's the way you can get your card. So that's the guy for today video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.